na Toyuto, I salute you. Agabidu, Agabidu, I hail you. Oh, great gods of our land, I greet you. Great gods of our land, I salute you. Agabidu, the protector of his people, the gatekeeper of Umunze kingdom, I salute you. Agabidu, Agabidu, Agabidu. Today your daughter has woken up again, being a gay market day. Mweke shall live long. Abagana, Abagana, Abagana. My mothers, I greet you. My mothers, I salute you. Accept my sacrifice. Accept my sacrifice with open arms. Please accept my sacrifice for your mercy, your love, the protectant of your people. Yes, I am here for them. Agabidu, Agabidu, oh great deity of our land, the almighty gods of our people, the one who tramples upon others, the serpent herself, the one who speaks and the kingdom trembles. It is I, Weke, I am awake. Yes, I shall subdue all my foes. No one can withstand the mission of the wind. Agabidu! 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 Yes! I salute you, mother! The tree trembles and the forest bows. It is I who crossed the 7 rivers and returned alive. No one can withstand the great Weke of her time. Bagana! Abagana! Abagana! Obonye went to Toyuto. Paulina! What did they hear so? No, what did they occur? The thing why they hear so, you they sweet me for ear. What did they solve? What did they occur? I don't get joy this morning. What did they happen? Who are you? How dare you disturb my libation with the gods? My communism with the gods of our land? Do you want to die? Not be me, you go instead do this one, no try am. We shall be community of the gods. I come from your land. Paulina, me self, I get gods. Everybody get a personal wish. Don't use your wish, spoil my own. Get out of my abode this minute, you demented maggot. Before I strike you with Atipa, the itchy that would follow you to your grave, and you will smell awfully even in death. You won't collect slap? What? No, I be like say, I could dash you 5 times, make your head reset. You dey mad? You won't give waiting. As ASU strike or labor or you dey crazy, you chop winch. Hey! Abagana! Who are you? What impetus? Paulina, look my face where? You be like say you don't forget who I be. Now the cashier, you're senior for Obage Secondary School. You were them need and they flock piece come up for pants. You were not in no junior class where you run follow my go aba. You can't come here, they form say they represent your mama Shiran. Come, if you like say you know well, if you like say you don't forget what they do you in those days. I want to ask you one question. Which color of winch you shop? What did they give you, Mora? Come on for my bag, we shall be a bagara. What if this you they play? What if this nonsense why they do so? Abagana! Abagana! Obwenye Bondu na Toyuto!
She has prized her own death right before me. Who sent you on the suicidal mission?
Oh, true, you don't forget me. Make I rewind your brain. Nadikashi, the only girl for school that time where they mad and I never still well. If you cross my lane, I go jam you with caterpillar. Where you keep my sister husband? Where you keep Obina?
You dare insult the great Weke of Abagana, the Idudu of Umunza kingdom? How dare you?
Chineke, now slap this girl, see me like this. Eh? You see me slap? Now me you slap. Now me you slap. You don't fear? You slap me?
Abagana! Abagana!
Now me you slap. Now me you slap. You dey mad? Eh? You dey mad? You don't fear? You don't fear? Now me you dey mad? You dey crazy? You dey crazy? You dey mad? Jesus, I kill him. Yes, I kill him. My sister, they call me. Akuna, how far? What did happen?
My husband's sickness is getting worse by the day and I don't know what to do. Yes, and his brother is telling me to bring him back to the village so they can use local treatment on him. Honestly, it's a matter of urgency and he's telling me we have to come back today or tomorrow. I don't know what to do. And my husband is also buying the idea. That's the worst part of this whole thing.
Eh? It don't reach like that. Final decision. So my in-law go live for village. Hey! I me say village people don't catch my in-law. They don't do am strong thing. I don't like this idea, but if they say na there healing go come from, say everybody say they will go cure am, make una carry am go now. But my in-law go live for village, go come dey stay there. He get a CBO. I no support this idea. I no support putting. Well, I no like this idea. But if they say the only person who go fit cure na herbalist for that village, make the carry and go now. I no like. My in-law go stay for village. He go dey live there.
He said there's this local Nweke in the village that treats Lagos, so that I should bring him there so they can treat him there.
Paulina. Yes, now Nweke na nickname. I know her well. I don't want to cure that kind of sickness. So now her mama and great grandmama that time for village, now get that gift to cure sickness. I know Paulina now. Now my junior for secondary school that year. That girl head not correct oh. She too like man. In fact, fine men know they pass her eyes. She know they close eyes oh. She must open her, enter them. Now me declare you now. She don't do shrine work now. Ha. Make her not talk too much. Make her not come and be like say I won't discourage you. How can I go try am now? But Paulina, they do shrine work. They cure people now. Unbelievable. No, Allah, we go talk later and I get money prayer what I won't go do. Eh? But wait oh, when you say when they travel again?
Yes, we should be coming back today or tomorrow. Tomorrow, we should be coming back tomorrow.
Tomorrow? No one. If I dey go my job interview tomorrow, I go branch in a village. Yeah? Ongwanu, take care oh. Bye-bye. It is well. Greet the light for me oh and your husband. Okay now, bye-bye.
Are you okay there?
Yes, mommy.
Wait. Now make me dream this kind of dream. Nweke won't treat my in-law. Ha! God, I beg, cure me from this my hot temper because you no go funny oh. Make it not be say she go shop their money, come scatter the remaining leg. I go kill am o. I go buy am, nothing go happen. Ha! God abeg o, Paulina. It's okay.
My love. You look sad. What's the problem? Talk to me.
Omalicham, I don't think I am ready.
Ready for what?
Becoming the king of Umunze kingdom.
My love, that is why we're here. You are to succeed after your late father, King Ikemba.
I know. But I need to...
Look, I understand, my love. The new era, the change, the culture, the tradition, all of them frightens. But a king will always be a king, my love. I'm by your side. With God in heaven, we shall rule the land once I become your queen. Do not be afraid.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, my love. Thank you.
Welcome. I need to see the Queen Mother. I'll be with you shortly.
All right.
Okay.
Place this at the gate. The palace needs a cook.
Why am I spending 7 days and 7 nights at the house of Umwaeke, the goddess of our land?
My prince, you see, Mweke said that it is our new culture approved by the gods of our kingdom. That if any man must be a king, that he must come to her shrine for 7 days and nights. Perhaps for fortification and other rituals.
And the gods accepted it. Mother.
Yes. That is what I was told before now. The elders are here to make it clear to us.
My prince, we are all mortals, and we cannot question the authority of the gods. We are only meant to follow suit. All I know is that we are going to be king, but there's a process to it. We must follow the process.
Was that how my father became the king?
My prince, I believe that when you get there, Mweke will tell you what to do.
Exactly.
Sorry. Hey, forgive my bad one. I forget to knock. Make I go outside, make I come back. Make I knock again, enter bed.
Hey, stop there.
So I don't lose this job. Oga, no verse. So now cleaning job carry me come. I beg, no verse for me. I even close my eyes before I enter. Yes, I close my eyes before I enter.
Good then. Now close your eyes. Turn around and leave this premises, never to return.
Hi! My fellow woman, help me beg now. You don't tell why they find work. Country hard though. Help me beg, I beg.
Why didn't you knock before coming? Oh, please, don't even involve me.
Hi! Hey!
You see this job? You will never have that promise. Now, security!
My fellow woman, because help me beg now. I'm not stopping on enjoyment too. I'm going to still enjoy on ourselves later. I beg.
Leave, can't you get it? Get out!
I mean, see, I go do like say I'm not seeing it happen. Just give me job.
Who is this lunatic? Now get out. Get out.
I beg now.
Get out! Get out! Get out! What is this? I always told you, this boss is doing anything.
Hey! Let me start getting aroused when I enter. Please. Don't even involve me in this.
So what are you trying to do right now?
Leave me, let me go. Stop it!
So his uncle and the younger brother took him to Mweke.
Hey.
So, how was the interview?
My sister, not be smart, you know. I entered the office. I can't jam the manager. Plus the secretary was supposed to collect my CV. They do adult things.
What?
Sure.
Are you serious?
They pursue me, say, I no knock. True, I forget to knock. Oh. Don't be smart, you know.
So they fired you immediately? I mean, they rejected you immediately?
They're not even agree make I beg safe.
Well, you safe, you too do. Why you no knock?
Akuna, sometimes I dey forget my brain for knocking. I start to lose the job. Oh. It don't be. Oh.
Oh, wow. Maybe they are couples or something.
They not be couple anything. I know that girl. That girl never marry. They do a shower things.
Oh, wow. Meanwhile, while I was coming back, I think I saw a vacant post at the palace gates. Yes, while we were coming here, I saw a vacant post.
What did they write for the post?
I am not sure. Maybe cook or something.
Cook! Are they come now.
I never finished. Come back now.
Are they come?
Mommy,
Huh?
are we going to stay in the village?
Honestly, I don't know.
You stepped on a poison. It was really meant for you.
Hey! May the gods forbid! Hey! People are wicked.
You had a fight with a colleague, right?
Yes, about 3 months ago.
Don't worry. I'll treat you. You'll be fine. Although it has rules.
Rules? What are the rules? We would like to know.
Yes.
He will remain here with me. His wife will only bring him meals without palm oil. He will not meet with his wife. I shall take care of him till he fully recovers.
You mean I'll not be coming from my house? I mean, my house is not far away from here. I can come every day to get treatment.
If you wish to get healed, do not ask questions.
Wise one, please, if there is anything you will do for my brother's leg to bounce back, like for him to regain his leg back, please, we beg of you. Please, we beg you to do it for us. Biko.
Good. 10 tubers of yam, 4 live cock, 1 black he-goat, 6 bottles of schnapp. All these you must provide before I proceed.
Hey, is it not too much?
Uncle, it's okay. I will pay. Please, I will pay. Let's get to this, please.
Good. One more thing. You will not communicate with your wife on phone till you are fully recovered and leave here.
See, no go near about that. You've heard it. Uncle, no, you can't get what on. My own is that I want my brother to be fine so that he can go back to the city. I thanks to the gods. That is it. He has even accepted to provide all those things she mentioned. Guess what? My brother has given me the money to provide all those necessary things. What are we saying?
Mbakwe, something bothers me. Obina's house is not far from Nweke's house. And the wife can drive him to Nweke's place, take treatment and drive him home. Why must he be staying in Nweke's place? Why?
Ichie, you see, you speak as if you don't know the things of the spirit. Obosekwagi, are you the one saying this? Let them be. Let them be. Nothing will happen. You understand? And please, stop making me think different about this.
Mbakwe. Before Nweke was born, I've been doing things of the spirit. When her mother was alive, you only go there and take treatment and go home. And she don't even charge much as she's charging now and calling all these items. It was not like that. You only bring 1 live cock, 1 schnapp and 4 cola, and she will treat you, you'll be fine.
Ichie, why are you taking this personal? Is he your brother? I'm asking you, no, answer me. Is he your brother? I told you should let them be. That is it. So why are you... Please, don't even make me start thinking fast. I regret allowing you to follow us to that place.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
So far, he will be fine, okay?
He will be fine.
Okay.
Let's go.
No problem. It's all right.
You just take things personal as if he's your brother.
Let's see how it goes. Let's go.
Hey, Princess Sure. This is you.
Wait. Ugochukwu Richard.
Flesh and blood.
Oh my god. Ugochukwu, you look so big.
And you too. Nice to meet you.
Wait, where have you been? Well, oh, you don't need to tell me. You are looking great. Come on.
You too. You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
So tell me, what are you doing in my kingdom?
Okay, Wait, is this your kingdom?
Of course. I hail from here, Umonze Kingdom.
Wow, interesting. Well, Prince Ikem is my fiancé. Yes.
Really? Ikem Williams, you mean?
Yes. He's my fiancé and we are getting married after the burial of his father.
Yes, I actually came back for the same burial. I came to witness the burial. That's why I returned from Malaysia.
Oh my god. I'm so happy to see you.
Same
You're
here.
looking so great.
You. Look at you.
Richard.
I can't believe
Richard
this.
of yesterday. Oh god.
What's your problem?
Richard of yesterday.
Well, it's wonderful.
Yeah.
Nice to see you again.
Same here. Same here.
So tell me, what are you doing here all by yourself?
Oh, we are heading somewhere and he asked me to wait for him here. So I'm waiting.
You and Ikem Williams, you mean?
Yes, of course. I'm waiting for him.
Oh,
my
see.
god.
Nice to see. Or maybe we'll get to see some other time.
Sure. Come on.
Come here. Look at you. You look beautiful.
Thank you. And you look great.
Get to see you around.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
they swear for me. Job go enter my house, what I go sleep come up from my hand. Village people they worry me. Which kind of wahala be this? Eh? Something is wrong somewhere. I know they get job. Fine, how far now? At your place, I be one even enter safe. I just say you won't treat my in-law. How the matter they be?
I know you.
You supposed know me now. Who don't know me? I be fire girl now. I dey born where. I be your senior for Bagay Secondary School that year now. You don't forget. I trained where that year now. I worry. Everybody know me now. You supposed know me Black Week, eh?
Now listen. You and I, we are not of the same realm. Your in-law is in my house.
See? See, Paulina? Hey, wait. He said my in-law is in her house. It don't reach like that. God, I beg you. I still dey beg you. This temper where dey my body cool and down because I no want buy person, no. Paulina say, me and I know they the same realm. We're not supposed to be the same race, I be fire. It's okay.
Which dream are you talking about?
What do you say I dream when Nelly keep Paulina?
Mweke.
Not be smart yapu for that dream. Oh. I dream say I go Paulina house, go confront am. I dey ask and say where your husband is, she no dey gree talk. She won't come challenge me, she won't attack me. Now verse. Now I jump, climb tree, break cane, hold her neck, begin the flog am.
Are you serious?
I think I tell you about the dream.
Don't tell me, oh.
Sure. Not be smart happen, oh.
I just the hear. Why you not talk this thing before? Meanwhile, how was your visit to the palace?
Forget those people. What did I hear so? I dey hear say your husband go stay for Paulina house for treatment. You know they come back house.
My sister, I saw the brother talk. Oh. He just left here not quite long.
I don't understand this kind of talk. Oh. Okay, now, since na your husband, you go there, go stay too. You go there assist your husband, they do things.
The brother said no. That the Nweke said that I should just bring food and go. That is a spiritual something. I'm not supposed to be involved.
The brother said no. Which kind of pattern you dey so you agree? My sister, no go sleep for water, soap go enter your eye. I sabi Paulina where that get to like Bola. She like man, she go call me your husband though. I declare you.
My king, please accept this little token of mine. There's a check of 5 million naira. It's from me to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my queen.
My son, thank you very much. You've done well. May the gods bless you.
Thank you very much, Richard. I really appreciate this.
Thank you, my prince. Please do accept my deepest condolence.
You're welcome.
Although I shall come to see you in your house.
It's all right, my son. I'll be waiting for you.
Please, if you will excuse me, I want to see my neighbor.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
It's okay. Hope to see you again. Good to see you. Thank you.
All right.
Salome.
Hey.
Great servants of the goddess, I greet you.
May you live long, Ugochukwu.
And you too.
When did you return?
A few hours ago, I decided to stop by to check on the palace and also to mourn with them over the passed on of our great king.
You've done well. You have proven to be the true son of the soil.
Thank you. Well, I shall come pay you a deserving visit and also pay homage.
Mr. Badiro, I shall be waiting for you.
Very well then.
May the gods be with you.
Thank you.
Eyes of the gods. If I hear you correctly, I will lay with you for 7 nights?
Yes, that is what the god said. It is part of the ritual.
I knew when my late husband was crowned the king of Umuzi Kingdom, he was taken to the shrine, but...
My queen, the gods have spoken. Onowu, you shall bring the prince to my chamber, and after 7 days, he shall be crowned king of Umuzi Kingdom. Thereafter, our late king shall be buried.
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuzi, weke weke,
Mother. Oh no. Are you both telling me that I am going to sleep with the servant of a deity? For what? For fortification or what?
My prince, that is the process. Just as she has said, without that, you will not be the king. You see, that is the process. We don't have the power to change it.
Spiritual, not be physical. Physical, not be spiritual. Your ginger don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. It is holy. The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuzi, weke weke, mwamulu baseke. Now what do you want to weke weke, spiritual not be physical.
My husband.
Nemo. Huh?
How are you?
I am good. My baby, how are you doing? Are you okay? Very well. Welcome. Huh?
Thank you.
Please sit down.
We brought you food.
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much, my dear. I've been hungry.
I know. How have you been? What is going on? Why can't I stay here and take care of you? I am your wife.
My dear, I don't know. I think maybe it's the rule or something. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Sorry.
Sorry, baby.
Do you trust our treatment? Like, is the pain, is it reducing? Are you feeling better?
Okay, let's just hope this is our last bus stop. I don't know, sometimes I feel better, sometimes just get worse.
Ha! Oh, wow. So is that your Calabar colleague that did this to you? Just like that?
Nem, let me recover from this first. Then we'll talk about that one.
Daddy, are you going to stay here?
My dear, I will have to for now.
Till when?
Until I get better. But don't worry, Daddy will come back home soon, okay?
Alright, Daddy.
Good day, Mweke.
You must be the wife.
Yes, he's my husband.
I hope you know that you will not visit him often. This place is a sacred place. You are only meant to bring his meal and leave. Else, you carry a cost that doesn't belong to you.
Excuse me? I don't understand.
Leave now.
What?
Leave now. Take your child and go.
Nem, it's okay. You can go and come back tomorrow, okay?
Are you sure you want me to go? I can stay here and take care of you. It's my duty as your wife.
It's okay, I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
Yes.
Because
yes.
Jay, take care of her, please.
Yes,
please.
Let's go.
Come back tomorrow.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye. Please, take care of her. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Take care of mommy, yeah?
Be strong,
okay. I will. Bye-bye.
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuze, weke weke, mwamulumba seke. Now what do you want to weke weke, spiritual not be physical. Weke weke, physical not be spiritual. Weke weke, your ginger don't pass over, don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy.
Mommy, stop the car! Stop the car! Mommy, stop it!
Car. What do you mean stop
the car?
Oh God, Delight, what is it? Why do you want me to stop the car? Please, I'm tired. Let's go home.
Mommy, I don't like that auntie. She's scary. She looks evil. Why will you take my daddy to her place?
Do you want me to explain everything to you from beginning to the end again? Your dad is not feeling fine and you know it. That herbalist is the one taking care of him so he can get better. Your uncles are the one that took him there.
I want to stay with my father. I don't like the herbalist. She's threatening. She always awfully. I just don't like her.
I understand you, my daughter. Even me too, I don't like her. But we don't have option. All we have to do is to pray for your daddy to get better. He's not going to stay there forever, okay? We just have to pray for him to get better. Then you can all go back to city and all these things will end.
I don't like the idea of my dad staying in a house. I don't like it. We have our own house. Why can't she not be coming to our house to attend to my daddy? This is totally unacceptable. I feel pessimistic about this event. All of it.
Okay, Delight, I've heard you. I like the idea of your dad staying there too. I don't like it. But there's nothing I can do. Let's go home. Please don't come and scatter my head on the road with your grandma.
I need to see my uncle, period.
Priestess, weke weke. Weke weke, spiritual not be physical. At all, weke weke, physical not be spiritual. At all, weke weke, your ginger don't pass over, don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy. The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuze, weke weke, mwamulumba seke. Now what do you want?
Delight, what is it? Why don't you want to go inside? Why are you being a thorn on my flesh?
I need to see my uncle. I am angry. I need to see my uncle.
I don't understand. You're angry. What do you want me to do about it? Am I the one that took your father to the herbalist?
But you're my father's wife. You have a say that auntie is not a herbalist. She has a mischievous intention. Yes, I want to see my uncle. I want my father to leave her place. Mommy, I mean it though. I mean it.
So I started like father, like daughter. Hey.
Father. My son, the journey is far. Far beyond what you can see. You need a driver. You can't drive on your own. You can't.
Father, I don't understand. What do you mean by the journey is too far and I need a driver?
Do not forget to follow your heart. You can't drive this path all alone. You will soon become the king. So you just have to prepare yourself for the future. You can't embark on such a risky journey all alone. No. No. I hope I made myself clear.
Father!
I want you to go into the village and look for the lady that was here yesterday seeking for driving job.
Okay, my prince.
I hope you remember her.
Yes, my prince.
Go and bring her along with you to this palace. Do you understand?
Yes, my prince.
Son,
Mother,
which of the ladies are you talking about?
the lady that was here yesterday is seeking for job.
Ikemefuna.
Mother, please. Please. I need to employ her. I need a driver. Please. Please, Mother.
It's alright.
Thank you.
I don't understand this. That the prince will spend 7 days and nights with the princess.
My queen, that is their culture.
Doing what exactly?
Like I told you, that is their culture.
Uncle, this culture seems new to me. I mean, the priestess just came up with this and the elders agreed to it. Why? So because I'm a princess, I shouldn't know the process of me becoming the queen.
Yeah, because you are a princess. I think you should know better about it.
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Baby, let's just keep our fingers crossed and see what comes out of it.
That's all. That is all.
It's okay. Don't be. Okay, oh no. Don't be worried, okay? Let's just keep our fingers crossed.
Now what do you want to work, spiritual, not be physical. Work, physical, not be spiritual.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
So, tell me about your wife. You love her, don't you?
Of course. She's part of me. I love my family so much.
More than anything, huh?
Indeed.
I know. Sorry. A man must love his family, right? She must be really lucky to have a handsome man like you as a husband.
Thank you.
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umunze, weke. Now what do you want to work?
The greatest wanker of our time.
Welcome to my humble abode.
I'm delighted to meet you.
Give me a few minutes. Let me finish up with him.
That's okay.
I'll be with you shortly.
All right.
Nobody would stand our power.
Sorry.
Even the wind, the forest, bow before her. Wake up, strong princess. At the mention of your name, everybody trembles. We feel good, but
How you see my driving, my guy? Rate me.
8 over 10, 8 over 10.
8 over 10 na pass mark na.
It's okay. Let's head back to the palace.
Okay. I go dey happy if they give me this driving job. But you go sweet me well.
Yeah, you will get the job.
Amen. Oh, amen. Aye. Don't you want a fine job? God will do it.
Ikem, it's not everything you hear or know you should disclose to Ure. It's your father's throne we are talking about here.
Mother, are you saying I should go and sleep with Nweke?
Do you know you are withholding both the funeral and your coronation if you fail to do the needful?
What needful? Going to sleep with the servant of a deity? 7 days? 7 nights? All because I want to ascend the throne of my father? My throne, my inheritance. Mother, I will not do it.
Let me remind you, there is an underground plan to take away the throne from you. Yes, they are planning against you. They want to take away the throne from you. Richard, you know, did not just return for the funeral. He has an eye on the throne. So you have to fight. You have to do everything possible, absolutely possible, to become king. I don't care if you sleep with a snake. Romance it, eat it, do whatever with the snake. Royalty is ours. And in the name of our forefathers, it shall never slip out in your reign.
I want to be king. I want to marry the princess fiancée. I want to make her queen. I, Ugochukwu Richard Mbakwe. I want to be the one to make her the queen.
Be mindful of your words and choices.
You are not royalty.
You will make me one.
Ugochukwu! Do not tempt the gods. Kings are not made by wealth and riches. Prince Ikem will succeed his father.
I do not want us to war against each other. I came to you because you're my lover back then. Even your body, you have never refused me from going in. Why will I have you and not have what I want?
At this point, you have to leave my presence. I cannot be manipulated by your emotions. Get out!
Think about it. Think about it. You cannot refuse this from happening. I know you too well. Those lusts for men are still in your eyes. As for the young man, Obinna, I know him. We grew up in this village. Don't spoil his marriage. Do as I said.
Get out. And let me remind you, Ugochukwu, you will not fight the throne, else you lose. Be warned.
The gods by my side, I will not lose.
Be warned, Ugochukwu. Be warned!
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umunze, weke weke, mwamulumba seke. Now what do you want to weke weke, spiritual not be physical. Weke weke, physical not be spiritual. Weke weke, your ginger don't pass over.
My prince, I thought we had an agreement regarding her. Why would you choose a female driver?
Oh no. My spirit is at rest now. Besides, she passed her test.
Well, my prince, we are waiting for you to visit Nweke so that the burial of your father, our king, will commence immediately.
Ichie, I am sorry. Nweke's demand is appalling. It is against my belief and my body. I will not do it.
My prince, what do you mean?
What I am saying is I will not sleep with Nweke, the priestess of this land, in order for me to ascend my father's throne. I will not do it.
Objection, my prince.
Alo, abomination. This is tradition. And obviously you don't know what you are saying.
Ichie, it is not tradition. It is fornication with your dreaded priestess. I do not fornicate, and I will never fornicate with the priestess. I am solely interested in sleeping with one woman, and that woman happens to be my fiancée. My body belongs to her, and her body belongs to me.
Objection, my prince. This is what your fathers did. You cannot. It's not fornication. I don't know what you are talking about. It's a tradition. Your father did it. Your grandfather did it. Even your forefathers did the same thing before they became the king of this our kingdom. So it's not fornication. I don't know what you are talking.
Oh no, this is fallacy mindset. This is an OPEC that is never clear to me. If my fathers went ahead to sleep with your dreaded priestess just to become kings, I will not do it. This is my era. An era of no fornication. No way, I will not do it.
Yeah, my friends, I am very sure you don't know what you are doing to yourself. You must be king, oh. Our clan will never accept to forfeit this royalty.
Mano.
And I, Ishioka, I don't want to be disappointed. Malifi Nemo.
No. Ichie, go home and be happy.
No, Dinka.
If you must be queen, if you must rule with my son, this is the time. Talk to him. Ure, tell him to do the needful. Do not allow me to assume or think that you are behind his nonsense speech. Talk to him. He must be the king. Else, you will not get married to my son. Never.
What did I just hear? Prince Ikemefuna to sleep with Nweke before becoming a king? What kind of dirty tradition is this one? Oh God. Oh my God, please help me, God. Help my man. God.
husband is not picking his call. What is all this? Hope he's fine now.
Mommy.
You're still awake?
I can't sleep. Please, when is Dad coming back?
This. Well, he's fine. We'll go there and see him tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
We'll go and take breakfast to him.
Alright, Mommy.
Let's go so we can go and sleep.
Good night, Mommy.
Oh, good night, my dear. Let's go.
So what are you going to do?
Nothing.
Your mother said this is culture that if we must get married, I will allow you do it for the sake of the throne.
You will allow me to do it? You want me to date my reputation?
Just follow your heart.
This is my heart. You are my heart.
I know. I just pray for wisdom for you to do the right thing.
Thank you.
No, please accept that little token.
Did you call it little? Thank you so much.
My anything for you.
Oh, thank you. Anyway, my daughter will be informed that you came around.
Oh, that would be I'm very grateful. If you tell her my presence.
I will tell her that you came.
Yes, that's okay.
Thank you once
Greetings,
again.
my lord.
Oh no. You're welcome. That's my hello.
Well, I have to be on my way. But no, since you met us well, please, excuse me. Let me also use this to appreciate you too. I was actually on my way before you walked in. So, no.
It's okay. It's okay. Take care. Oh, that's
Lolo, why is he here?
Oh, he's an old classmate of Uriel when they were in secondary school. King's College, Utiland. Oh no, I called you. I want to know, is it a rightful culture for a prince to lay with a priestess before he is crowned king? Because to me, that is such a superficial thing to do.
But Lolo, that is their culture.
No, it was a fallacy. It was an untrue story told by newsmongers and unprofessional historians in those days. And they did it just to make ends meet.
Lolo, I quite disagree with you.
I am not assuming. You know it is wrong to assume people's culture.
Do you think it's a ritual process?
No, I do not think so. I think that there is a misconception about the whole thing. Do you understand? And that is why I will not allow my daughter to marry into such a place with such a culture. Because if this becomes the case, I'm afraid my daughter will not share her man with a deity.
Do you want to separate the two lovers?
Separate which two lovers? It is rightly dirty for me to even subscribe to my daughter's desire for such In fact, it is rightly dirty for me to even think about it. That my daughter is desirous of a man with such a despicable culture. Mbano. It's irritating me. Huh.
Aku! Go. Show. The job don't land one hand.
Are you serious?
Yes, so.
You made it.
Delight, how are you?
Hi, Auntie, good morning.
Good morning, my love. How was your night? Did you sleep well? Good.
You got the job?
Which kind of question they ask? So look me where. Study me like a book. Look me properly. From my cap to my toe. I will not tie joint. Observe my steeze and composure. Baby, I got the job. Wonderful. I am now a royal driver.
Wonderful.
To the prince of Una kingdom.
Wonderful.
Now one I get the job. Oh. He blessed me the prayer one knock before I come up for us yesterday. Now land me the job. Now serious? Once the prince changed his mind.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Look me way. See the swag.
I see.
You know why?
I don't feel you, my sister.
I don't get job. Oh. Money don't come. Where na they go?
I'm going to see my husband. I want to take breakfast to him.
Then I will carry you with my royal car. I want to make you feel the AC.
Are you serious?
My sister, the AC now bonge. Shoot. It's just I know this jacket. And because cold day. I don't feel come. They not bomb me when make I remove this thing. Come go finish me.
Royal driver with steez.
You will enjoy the steez and composure. Even I say I get cold. Hey, who they call me? Now royal guards they coming from royal palace. So. Hey, let me say they need my attention now. Make I the rush go palace. I will call you back. Okay. I go conceal now. I must carry you now with that car. No problem. Delight.
No problem. I'm going to get waterproof so I can put you.
The prince must not utter such words.
Nweke, it's like you have forgotten that I'm the prime minister of this kingdom. Will I be lying? That is exactly what the prince said.
No one dares the tradition of the land. No one. I must go to the palace.
Okamao, Nweke. Oh no, something needs to be done. Something must be done about this thing. The prince is taking a huge risk.
But don't worry. Don't just worry yourself. The prince has no choice. Onwero choice.
Edisho.
Onwero. If I'm not saying I'm not me.
Edisho.
He has no choice, say. Eh? He must succumb.
You say so.
Okay, this your car fine, oh. Now machine. Just one touch like this, you go just they go.
Dikachi.
Sir?
Where are you from again?
Okay, let's say you don't forget me. Nah. From Chase the Kingdom. Now our princess now you won't marry. Her mama now be our queen for our kingdom. Princess Ure. That girl a very good girl. She can't get good character. She can't find joy. Chai, are they happy for her?
Stop, please. Stop.
Paulina, what did happen? When this nonsense starts? Why they block my road? Come on, make I pass. You don't get respect. No, you don't see that me they drive. Come on for road.
Tell the prince to come down from that car and greet me.
Greet you as say who you be. Now I don't understand. You say? No. Talk the thing when you talk now. You go any, I will come on, I go brush you for this place. You get mad. You get crest? Sir? Oh, guys, not be saying now you, not be saying.
Dikachi.
Sir?
Nweke. Eyes of the gods. What is the problem?
The ritual commences next tomorrow. I shall be expecting you in my chambers. I do not want to believe what Yonowu said.
We shall see. No. No, now. For waiting now. No. Oga, you dey go anywhere. Who she be now? Oga, what happen to your steeze and composure? You throw him? No, now. As small go tell me you come here for a shamba, you won't go. You don't go anywhere. Oga, maintain your steeze. You be king. You be king in the making. You be our future king. You see this kingdom? Now you dey in charge, you. Now you dey control everybody. This girl na your servant. Servant not get right to the tell king making come see am. What she be? Okay, you don't go anywhere. You don't move.
Sure. Let's go.
This Paulina, if I catch you, what I go do you, eh? Hey! You dey control my Oga. You no fear. I go catch you.
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuze, weke weke, mwamurumba seke. Now what do you want to, weke weke, spiritual, not be physical, weke weke, physical, not be spiritual, weke weke, your gender.
Daddy, what is it? You don't like the food?
My love, Ogini.
Who prepared this meal?
Of course I did.
And I helped Mom.
Yes, both of us.
Take it away, I don't want it.
What? Why? My love, what is wrong with the food?
Why will you bring me a spoiled food to eat?
Spoiled, Sikwa. Ha! Delight. Please, taste this food.
There's nothing wrong with Mommy's food now.
There's nothing wrong with it.
Give it to her to taste. Taste it.
Okay. There's nothing wrong with it. The food is okay.
It's obvious that your sense of taste is gone. That's why you brought me a spoiled food to eat.
My love, I prepared this food this morning with my daughter. There is nothing wrong with it. I'm telling you.
Take it away, I don't want it.
Love, come on. There's nothing wrong with this food. You can... Why are you treating us like this? There's nothing wrong with the food now.
Akonna, I need my peace.
Please.
Take that food away!
There's nothing wrong with it. I tasted it. My daughter, Delight, tasted it.
Akonna, you cannot serve me a spoiled food and expect me to eat it. Take it away, I don't want it.
Mommy's okay.
I need my peace. You guys can go.
I am sorry, my prince. I'm sorry.
Chima, I hate it when you say you are sorry. Chima, what is going on? What is going on? You ignore the important things you're supposed to do, and all you do is to wait and say sorry. Sorry for what? How come we are losing over 12.4 million naira just like that? How? Dozier?
My prince.
What is happening? You are the accountant of this company. What is going on?
My prince, honestly, I balanced my table very well. I have the document to that effect. I don't know where this is coming from.
Go and tell my driver to get me my laptop. Chima, you think I don't have eyes in this company, right? Well, I am going to surprise you. What is going on, Chima? Chima, what on earth is going on? Well, I am going to shock every one of you. You all will be fired if I don't find that money. You all will be fired.
My prince, we are working on it.
You're working on what, Chima? Chima, you're working on what? You've been in this company for...
Hey!
What is it? What is it?
Why? No verse, Anna. The AC too much.
Can you just give me my laptop? I am going to track every event that has been going on in this company. Because I don't get it. Chima, you can't be an incompetent manager. You've always been my best. You've always been my number one. What is going on? Why this sudden change? I am going to follow up this issue. This very one, I have the whole day to do that. Every one of you, my eyes are on you. Just get out. Get out. Leave my sight. Leave. Go. Get out.
My prince, I never see you para like this before. Both Claire, Road soft?
When I say everybody should leave, that includes you. Leave.
I don't know, say I join you. Are they outside?
Leave now! You can go to the moon and stay! Jesus!
Richard, what do you car, Maka?
It's okay.
It's like you bought it new.
It's one of my cars.
Oh.
Alright, without wasting time, this is for you.
For me?
Yes, it's for you.
What did I do to deserve all this?
I'll go straight to the point. Iche, even if the prince sleeps with Nweke to be the next king of this kingdom, it's not going to work. I, Richard, will be the king.
Okay? Go.
Oh yes, yes. Iche, this is why I came back. Well, I have a meeting to catch up with, but I will invite you and other elders to my house tonight. Remember, you're from my clan. And together, we'll have to make this work.
If I want $1.
Do you understand?
It's okay. All right. Let's see how it goes.
All right. Good. Iche, more of that will come your way.
No
as
problem.
long as you do as I say.
I will try my best.
All right, see you later.
Oh my God, Richard.
Queen.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I truly appreciate the car gift. And you know it's my favorite color. Hey, I'm so shocked. How did you know?
That's to tell you I'm good at guessing.
You
right?
are very good at guessing.
I know you like it.
I cannot thank you enough. You know what? I am going to do. Don't worry, I will host you for this car.
My queen, you don't need to bother yourself. It's just my little gift to you.
Oh,
It's the little I could do.
thank you.
All right, I have to be on my way now. Maybe I'll drop some at a time.
It's okay. Be good. And drive safe, okay?
Thank you, my queen.
Thank you. Oh my God. Get me my phone. Uriel, where are you? Okay, I need you to come home now. There is something I want us to discuss. Yes. Okay.
Dikaji! My friend, man. What the Grace? Who be your friend? What did they work this one? Eh? So because I don't become driver to the prince, now I don't become your friend. I don't even know say, I don't know say na my prince papa na I get this company. You see, as God employ me to the owner of this company directly, what goes around comes around. That's all life be.
My friend, it's not like that too. See, I'll even help you to speak to the manager.
You the man, thunder fire you. You help me speak to which manager? I ask you, may you speak on my behalf? Eh? Why girls wicked like this? Now they wicked on our fellow women. I remember that fateful day I they beg you. I dey beg you say make you no vex. You say, get out, you dey scream. You say, why did you not knock? You dey speak incoherent English. Now the table don't turn around, now you don't dey beg. If I say make I report you to my organa, say you dey knack manager, you go become jobless knacky. They knack, they go.
Hey, please, Biko, please. This job is my last bus stop, please. If you report to the boss, I will lose my job. Please, please. What do you want me to buy? Should I buy food for you? I'll buy anything you want.
Carry your dirty food, they go. I don't want your stupid food. Fornicator. I don't want fornicator food. I don't want them.
Don't shout, please. People might hear.
Why I don't go shout? Oh, you know they're proud of what you do. Make her no shout. I hear say the man self don't marry. Say na you know reach 4 months ago when the man marry. You wicked do. You know people wait reach like 1 year before you start to knock the man. You begin knock immediately. You dey collect bola. You are a very wicked person. One day, person go knock your husband for your office. That's why they go kick you come off for house. You go see you dey. In fact, come out from here. Come out from here. You are a fornicator. I cannot be friends with a naki, with a fornicator, with a sinner. Get out. I will carry this to stone you. Come out here. I cannot stone you with this bottle.
Bikachi, please.
Go for here. The Chris.
Hello, what is going on? Why are you asking us to go back to the city? This treatment is not supposed to last up to 2 weeks and we'll all go back together.
Akomna, tell me exactly what you are doing here in the village with me. No, tell me one significant thing you are doing here in the village with me.
Honestly, my love, I don't understand your tone today. First it was the food, and now this. What is going on with you?
Your stay in this village is meaningless to me. You have to go back to the city and go back to your business. You
I don't have problem with my shop. My girls are there. They are taking care of my shop. Why are you doing this?
They like me to go back to school.
It's holiday period.
Is the lesson teacher also on holiday?
My love, what is going on? You practically begged me to leave my shop and leave everything and come back here because you wanted your family around. Suddenly you're asking me to go back to the city. What is going on? I don't understand this thing, no. What is going on now?
Akunna.
Good day, Michael.
Woman, I can see that you don't want your husband to heal fast.
Of course I want my husband to heal fast, so we can all go back to the city and leave this place.
Then you should learn to be brief with your meeting. Serve him and go. This is a spiritual environment. Do not delay the healing process, dear wife.
Of course I want my husband to heal because he is my husband. I want him to leave this place.
I can see that you were bold. But you should know that I am a spirit and not mortal.
And so, a spirit does not stop the wife from taking care of her husband. He is my husband. And like I said, it's my duty to take care of him.
You are therefore banned from visiting him.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
Mommy, this auntie is fake.
You little singing bird. You should watch your mouth if you want your father to heal fast.
Do not talk to my daughter like that. Stop scaring my daughter.
You need to go back to the city now, Akunna.
What?
You heard me.
You will stand here and watch her scare your daughter. You're still telling us to go back to the city. What?
Mom, so sorry about that. Please, calm your anger, please. Please.
Tell her to leave here this minute before I strike her.
You heard her. Leave at once. Go now!
Love, why are you doing this? Let's come over you.
Akunna, I am not happy with you. Yes! Akunna, how could you go there and cause trouble? Oh, now I know your plans. Your plans, number 1, to kill my elder brother. Then 2, to pack his properties and leave this place.
Oh, please, Mbakwe, do not talk to me like that. I love my husband and will not have you say such silly things about me. What are you even talking about?
Of course, I want my husband out from that godforsaken, stinking environment because that woman is obviously overrated and possibly fake.
Akuna. Hey! Akuna Ikwaro. Akuna Ikwaro. What did you just say now? You dare open your mouth and call our priestess fake? Do you want to die?
Oh, I'm not going to die. No one is going to die. I'm just airing my mind.
Hey!
Because that woman, that so-called great priestess, just wants the presence of my very handsome husband in her home because she is too dirty to get a man of her own. And I will not fold my hands and watch her take what belongs to me.
Akuna Imezugun, you have said it. You said your mind, Akuna. You have said your mind. What else do you have to say? Do you have any other thing to say? Mbanon, of course not. Now, what you're going to do now, very simple, is that you will go in there, yourself, your daughter, pack your things, and leave this house immediately.
Mbakwe, you lie. I go nowhere. This is my husband's house, and I will not move an inch without my husband.
Akuna, what did you just say?
You heard me right. I said I go nowhere. Have you not done enough? Mbakwe, I'm asking you, have you not done enough? What have you not done? I have had enough of your stupid and useless nonsense comments. What is wrong with you? My husband gave you money to build this house. And what did you do? You squandered it. He gave you money to buy land for him. What did you do? You squandered it. No money, no land, no nothing in Mbakwe because you are a piece of shit. And you want me to leave my husband at the mercy of who? From where I'm standing, you are the one who has something up his sleeve. Mbakwe, anamenyo genyo.
Nenyo. Oye nenyo, isi yonaputa. Let me tell you, Akuna, you have said enough. Now listen to me. If I enter this compound, I see your clothes, not even you or your shadow, you will not like what I will do to you. I will use my hand and scatter you. Now you go there, pack your things and leave this place. If I come back, oh, Akuna. Okay, you're talking about the building. That building, a building that started from scratch. Who built that building?
Oh, for how many years, Mbakwe? How many years does it take to complete a building? How many years?
I can see you have the mind to challenge me. Jishike, try. I'm coming back.
And I'll
for
be
you.
Waiting for you.
Akuna.
And I'll be waiting for you.
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umuze, weke weke, mwamulumba seke. Now what do you want to weke, spiritual, not be physical. Weke weke, physical, not be spiritual. Weke weke, your ginger don't pass.
They mad?
What's the matter?
No, I mean she dey mad. Sorry, my prince. She dey craze. She dey meant. Why she go say make you sleep with her before you go collect her? My prince, so you tell me I for use my own and carry the throne give you. Ho!
Dikachi, can you just reduce your voice? We are not fighting. Meanwhile, I have told you to learn to speak good English.
My prince, this one don't pass good English matter. Oh. I dey vex. My steals don't come out. What if she give you infection?
Exactly.
My prince, no gree for this kind of culture. No gree. Oh no one, the elders go whine, but no panic. Stand your ground, kidigba. You be king. King blood, they flow for your body. See, now you they decide how things go wrong for this kingdom. Anything you talk, they go follow. Even queen go bow, your mama. The elders, all of them go bow. No gree, oh. No gree for Paulina.
So, are you saying I shouldn't do it?
My priest, no gree. Now me go tell you the history of Paulina.
Who is Paulina?
Wait, now her nickname be that. She be my junior for Obage Secondary School.
Okay, go on.
My prince, Paulina, that girl spoil. In fact, now corruption be her name. The girl dey knack her. She like fine men. Any fine man where Paulina see, she must collect bola. That's why she dey pull leg. You should dey knack. She knack 4 coppers. Where can't work for my school that year. 2 of the coppers, they toast me. Now then tell me, say, Paulina knock them for back of principal office. They say they knock shege come for Paulina body. She be knockist. That's what they call her. She need to take fine men play. Oh. You can't find, can't fresh. Paulina go collect you one, but I no agree.
You don't mean it.
My priest, thank God say you employ me. Oh. Thank God say I dare for your side. I no go agree make anybody near you. Nobody go knock you. Don't worry, I dare for you. This throne, you go collect and you no go knock.
I'm liking this conversation. Dikachi.
Sir?
I want you to sit and tell me more about your school days with Nweke.
Okay. You get wine? Because I go like as I tell you the story of my life, I go dey knock the wine.
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umunze, weke weke, mwamulum baseke. Now what do you want to weke?
Mother me, what were you thinking? Listen, Prince Ikem will not marry you.
But why, mother? Why?
Why, you ask?
Yes.
How could you be a second-hand queen to a king whose nakedness has been seen time and time again by a mere servant of a deity? Listen, and will not condone or condescend too low to such a culture. Never.
Oh my goodness, mother. You've not heard from Prince Ikem and his own decision.
What decision? Prince Ikem cannot have any decision. He is a man who is so feeble and can be manipulated anyhow. He can't even bend a rule to suit himself. Listen, he is only a prince who can be manipulated and follow the footstone or footstep of a culture that is not even good for him. A man has proposed for you hand in marriage, and I am considering it.
Wait, mother. Richard. Oh, this is why he bought you that car, right? Mother, no way. I can't be his wife.
Let me tell you, Richard is unbendable, and I share in his mission. Okay? Rubbish.
Mother! Mother! Richard can never be my husband, never.
You like it?
Very well. Thank you. It's very delicious.
Don't worry. You'll be fine soon, okay?
I feel a bit relieved.
You'll be fine.
Thank you.
I am going to the room. Meet me in bed.
Sorry?
The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umunze, weke weke, mwamulum baseke. Now what do you want to weke weke? Spiritual, not be physical. Weke weke, physical, not be spiritual. Weke weke, your ginger don't pass over, don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy. Priestess, weke weke, weke weke. Spiritual, not be physical. At all, weke weke. Physical, not be spiritual. At all, weke weke. Your ginger don't pass over, don't pass over. Your swagger don't pass over. Jai, it is holy. The eyes of the gods, priestess of Umunze, weke weke. Now what do you want to weke weke? Spiritual, not be physical. Weke weke. physical, no be spiritual. Wake your ginger, don't pass over. Don't pass over. Your swagger, don't pass over. Take it easy, holy. Nobody withstand our power. Even the winds, the forest, bow before her. Wake up, strong princess.
Go back, go front, go left, go right, go center. We dey kidigba, nothing dey shele. Make I clear you, this nasty generation, 100% composure. Bumpy! They feel whine us, but we know they panic.
Hey, this is so disgusting. Ikemefuna. This will not happen in my palace.
Mother, come on, this is happening already. And I love it. She is the real steez. This is superstitious. It is superstitious as a clear jeopardy. I will never do it.
What are we doing?